Hello and welcome to Auto Repair Shop Success. We believe in the importance of continuous learning and growth for employees in the automotive repair industry. That's why we're dedicated to providing brief but free, high-quality content for automotive professionals. Now, we understand that busy schedules can make it difficult to keep up with the latest best practices. But with our resources, you and your team can stay informed and improve your skills in no time. Whether it's through our YouTube channel, Facebook page, LinkedIn group, or website, our content is designed to be easy to access and understand so that you and your team can get the most out of it and keep them focused on the basics. So what are you waiting for? Take full advantage of the free content. Use it at your next meeting. Use it for inspiration, but just use it. And if you like what you hear, subscribe to our social media channels, or for a more in-depth conversation regarding training, coaching, or just assessing your shop's needs, reach out to us today. We can't wait to see you.